Boom. Okay, section 1.1b. What we're going to do today is work with angles and really tiny increments of angles. Now, in a circle, how many degrees are there? 360 degrees. Okay? So, here's an angle. Okay? Let's say that the angle is a 1 degree angle. It can be split up into parts. How many parts can it be split up into? Well, we can split it up into 60 parts called minutes. So 1 degree will equal 60 minutes. Let's say we have a 1 minute angle. We can split a 1 minute angle into parts. How many parts, you ask? 60 parts, called seconds. So, in a 1 degree angle, there's 60 minutes, and in each minute there's 60 seconds. What's 60 times 60? 60 times 60? Let's try that again. What's 60 times 60? 3,600. There we go. So in a 1 degree angle, there's 3,600 seconds. So in a circle, take 360 degrees times 3,600 seconds. 360 times 3,600. 1,296,000. In a circle, there's 1,296,000 seconds. So we can divide a circle into really tiny parts. Okay? All right. So, let's say we have an angle that's 36 degrees, 40 minutes, and 24 seconds. And we want to convert that into decimal degrees. Well, the degrees won't change. It'll be 36 point something degrees. So to figure out how many that is, what you do is you take the seconds, okay, and 24/60ths of a second equals how many minutes? Well, what's 24 divided by 60? Yeah, this is a total calculator day. So if you don't have your calculators out yet, might as well get them out now. If you don't have a calculator, you'll need to borrow one from over here. So what's 24 divided by 60? 0.4. Okay? So this is how many minutes there are. Plus, we already had 40, so we have to take 40.4 minutes and divide that by 60. So what's 40.4 divided by 60? So there's 36.673 repeating decimal degrees in 36 degrees, 40 minutes, 24 seconds. Okay, so that's how you convert from degrees, minutes, seconds into decimals. Let's do another one. Let's say we have negative 18 degrees, 36 minutes, and 45 seconds. Okay? To convert it to decimals, we start at this end and work this way. So what's 45/60 as a decimal? 0.75. So then you add that on to the 36 to get 36.75 minutes. Then you divide that by 60 to get the decimal degrees. So you take 36.75 divided by 60. And what do you get? So it's negative 18.6125 degrees. That's how to convert degrees, minutes, seconds into decimals. Now let's go the other way. What if I had 42.1275 degrees? And I want to convert that to degrees, minutes, and seconds. Well, I know that's 42 degrees. And then to find the minutes and seconds, instead of dividing by 60, what do you think we do? Multiply by 60. So you take 0.1275 times 60. What's 0.1275 times 60? 7.65. So I have 7 minutes. And then I take my 0.65, my seconds part, times 60 to get my seconds. Okay, because I have to take the decimal part and multiply it by 60. What's 0.65 times 60? 39 seconds. So, going from degrees, minutes, seconds to decimals, and going from decimals to degrees, minutes, seconds. Okay? Do you want to see one more example of going from decimal to degrees, minutes, seconds, or you got it? All right, one more. That's fine. Let's say we have negative 21.2356. Negative 21.2356. So we start out with negative 21 degrees because that won't change because it's going to be 21 point something. So it's 21 degrees and then something, something, something. So then we take the decimal part, 0.2356, and multiply it by 60, and we get the whole number part will be the number of minutes that we have. So what's 2.2356 times 60? 14.136. So then it'll be 14 minutes, and then we take the 0.136 times 60, and we get the seconds. So how many seconds do we have? 8.616. 8.16. Now, what we do is we generally round to the nearest second because there's like 2 million seconds in a circle. So rounding to the nearest second is close enough. So we say 8 seconds. So negative 21.2356 degrees is about negative 21 degrees, 14 minutes, 8 seconds. All right. What's the missing angle? Well, you got to know a little geometry here. How many degrees are in a triangle? 180. 180 degrees in a triangle. So to find the missing angle, we add up these two angles and subtract from 180, right? Sounds easy, right? Well, we'll see how easy it is. So we take 180 minus the sum of 100 degrees, 16 minutes, 52 seconds, plus 49 degrees, 36 minutes, 14 seconds. So if we add these two up, what's 14 plus 52? 66. Can you have 66 seconds? No. So what it is it's 6 seconds and we carry a minute over. Okay, because 66 seconds is a minute and 6 seconds. So we're going to carry the minute over. What's 16 plus 36? 52 plus 1 is 53. Well, we can have 53 minutes. We don't have to carry a 1 there because it's less than 60. What's 100 plus 49? 149. So these two add up to 149 degrees, 53 minutes, and 6 seconds. Now, we have to take 180 degrees minus 149 degrees, 53 minutes, and 6 seconds. Uh-oh, what's here? Nothing. Not 0. It is right now, but we have to make it into something to subtract because 0 minus 6 is a negative number and we can't have a negative there. So what we have to do is we have to go back to like 2nd grade. And when you subtracted, you borrowed. So we got to borrow here. So really, instead of 180 degrees, it's 179 degrees and 60 minutes. Well, we still have nothing there, so we have to borrow from here to get 59 degrees and 60 seconds. And now, since we borrowed a degree to get to 60 minutes. And then we borrowed, that should be a minute sign. Then we borrowed a minute to get to 60 seconds, and now we can subtract. 60 minus 6 is 54. 59 minus 53 is 6. And 179 minus 49 is 30. So the missing angle here is 30 degrees, 6 minutes, and 54 seconds. Okay? It's basically arithmetic today. Lots of arithmetic. Just adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. Okay? There's not a lot of heavy math to this. What's the missing angle over here? Well, a straight line is how many degrees? 180. So we take 180, which is really 179 degrees, 59 minutes, and 60 seconds, minus 136 degrees, 42 minutes, and 12 seconds. Boom. So 60 minus 12 is 48. So there's 48 seconds. 59 minus 42, 17 minutes. 179 minus 136, 43. So it's 43 degrees, 17 minutes, 48 seconds. Degrees, minutes, seconds. Okay? I just automatically borrowed there, yep. Because we could write 180 and then borrow, but it's quicker just to go, well, we'll borrow right away. Okay? Are we good with this? Okay? So I will assign out your first section of homework today. We got 2 sections today.